Hey guys, welcome. It's your Keys. We're live on CoinMarketCap. So currently we have TraderWagon. Say calling for lead traders. So get copied and earn 10% from profit sharing. So guys, this is a new update for traders. So I'm going to read out the ad here on CoinMarketCap. It said, "Do you know what social trading is? Are you an experienced crypto trader? So do you want more from your crypto trades? Say qualified lead traders on TraderWagon, a social trading platform, can now enjoy 10% profit sharing from whoever follows the trades. So the more people follow your investment strategy, the more you make. So what's more, you can enjoy up to 100% fee rebate if you apply to be a lead trader now. So you log in and you're good to go. So guys, this is a good one for traders. This is a new update. So I just joined the, you can join up on the group chat. This is the group chat. You can see the daily market update, and as of recording now, these opportunities now really saturated. You can see with the number of people that are currently signed into the social platform on Telegram here. So we currently have a daily market update. BTC USDT is down by 5.2%. Then we have a BNB and the rest. So guys, you want to take if you find these updates helpful, you want to jump on it. I'll drop the link in the description box so you can get access to it. We dropped some updates on this trader wagon some time ago. So this is the earliest this is the latest update from them. So you want to check out this platform. Let us know how you feel about it in the comment section below. And hopefully, if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and peace out, guys. So, for lead traders, these are the two options. You can either be a lead trader, you get 10% profits, or you be a copy trader, you get 90% of all your profits. So it works two ways. By being a lead trader, your profit is about 110%. So that's a good thing. Plus additional 10%. So that's like you might be getting up to 120 or 110. So guys, those are some of the benefits here on TraderWagon. Peace out, guys. See you in our future uploads. Shibaki is on. Stay safe.